Hi guys, so today, this is my first ever video and I will be trading using a tool in TradingView which is called the fixed range volume profile. So on the left here I have a chart which is on the 15-minute of Bitcoin US dollar tether, and here are just my favorite tools. So I will be setting limits along the way, and when it reaches a certain point I will update you guys. So this is live, this is not backtesting. As you can see here, 21st May 22:30. So this is live, and I am currently using this one on the left to draw out these green lines. So when you see these big gaps in the volume profile, that means price doesn't like to stay there. So you can just draw a line there and price will usually reject off of it. So as you can see here, price just goes up here by 0.35%. And this here on the right is actually the 5-minute chart. Same thing, just on the 5-minute. And the reason I drew these lines is so that when I go on the 5-minute, I have another profile, and it's basically just a more micro one, but I can also still see the lines on the higher time frame. So the current situation is we are in an uptrend. So we actually had this huge move down yesterday, or actually 2 days ago. So, wait, no, yesterday, yeah. So we are probably going to reverse back up, and I am looking for buys. But there is obviously retracements along the way. So for example, this move up, there's going to be retracement. So we don't know how far down it's going to trace. It could retrace all the way up to here. But if we find value down here, which means high volume traded, then we will probably reverse lower. So my current analysis is that I might be selling because you can see here this green line. I should probably sell there because we just had a breakout of this low, and we've created a lower high and another lower high. So this is pretty bearish right now, but in reality it's just a retracement of a higher time frame. So I might just, in fact I will set a limit right on this line, and I will put my stop loss right above this high, because if it breaks it, it will probably reverse. So I'm just going to do a quick take profit up to this level. Now the reason it's here is because it is a high level of attraction, which means price likes to stay there, so it's likely to return somewhere around there or range around that point. So I'll just put it there. So I like to have 1 to 5 risk reward, which means if I win one trade, I can lose another 5 and I won't be at a loss. So as you can see here, that's 4.48, but there's really no problem. You can just move this a tiny bit and there's 5 to 1. So I'm just gonna do that, place my limit perfectly, and I will update you guys when I am entered. Hi guys, so I just looked at the charts today and I realized this trade was a loss. It actually bounced off one level higher, which is a bit unfortunate, but we know we sort of guessed the direction, but that's okay. We had 5 to 1 risk reward, so it's not that big of a deal. But this level here, it actually did bounce off it very well, and this level here, not quite, just a bit higher. And so this level was already used, we can see that here. So that means that it will have to go to this next one, which is over here. If you guys don't believe me, you can check the coordinates from the previous video. So it just bounced off here. All these levels were already used, so it had nothing to go to, so it just really went up high. But obviously I was sleeping, so I didn't get to trade this, but you can see that this strategy does work, and in my next video I will try to trade it live. Bye guys.